everybody, what's up? It's me, Luis Hernandez, and welcome to a video. Today we are going to be starting a new series, a new survival world. Yeah. So this is the world, as you can see. It's very beautiful. We already found coal. That's good. So let's get some questions from somewhere. Let's get some rain. Let me start. Some volume. Low. Okay. So I think that's enough. So let's get this. Let's just get this. Also, I just see that we got one more subscriber. That's good. That's awesome. I am going to... Maybe I'm gonna make a new channel. Maybe. It's not gonna computer. You know how... Because I just use the YouTube app. That's it. I just use it, and I'm gonna start using Safari. Now you may be thinking, well, you can just use you can only just log in with the Safari app and click on password. I forgot all about that. I forgot my password. I literally forgot that. I don't know why I forgot that, but I just straight away forgot that. What? Okay, so I literally just forgot my password, and yeah, I forgot about this. Yeah. They look at me like a toppy. I don't know why they look at me like, hey, that's it, but yeah. But literally, I just forgot about it. I just forgot my password. And I don't know, so I'm gonna make a new channel on this party. Not computer, but maybe a Spanish channel. Yeah. Maybe a Spanish channel. Just gonna go, hey, what's up, man? Just not Luska. I don't know. I think that's gonna be something to do with Minecraft. Because I like Modern Combat 5. I'm just gonna do what the heck I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna record some of Modern Combat. I'm on chapter 2. I haven't even recorded the first chapter or anything like that. I'm just gonna be recording Modern Combat here and there randomly. Yeah. But Minecraft will be the main thing in this channel. But as soon as we upgrade to the computer, we're gonna start recording Xbox and Assassin's Creed and whatever. Let's go back where we found the big hole, and let's make a crafting table. I think that the videos are gonna be 11 or something like that long. But now I just wanna collect some cobblestone. We're gonna collect some here. Okay, let's keep collecting stuff. Let's collect this. Let's literally collect all of this. Miss all these. We found iron. That's great. If I have face cam, it will be great. Because I'll be able to do my face review. How I look. You know. I'm sorry if I get quiet, I just get too concentrated. Because I just get too peaceful with Minecraft. And I'm playing single player, I just get peaceful. That's all, I just get peaceful and yeah. But if someone joins in the game, I'm gonna just tell them, hey, I'm just gonna say, okay, I'm recording. Can you please leave? You can join in when I'm not recording. And you can collect your stuff. You can build whatever you want to. Let's collect this. Let's keep collecting some more cobblestone in case we want to make a cobblestone house. Let's collect this. I'm gonna plant a sapling. What am I gonna plant this? I don't think Minecraft Xbox. Even though I don't have a computer, I'm just gonna play with the phone, with my phone. But right now I'm using. As you can see right now, I'm not even lagging. I'm sorry. I just had to. I forgot about the chicken. I'm gonna. This dude is making me a render for my skin. Not my MCP skin, because I don't know how you do that. How you even transfer your MCP skin to your computer to make a render. He's making me a render from the Xbox skin I use, which I'm gonna use on the Spanish channel, which is gonna be not a computer, which is not gonna be a freaking computer, which sucks. Because I don't have one. I'm trying to buy one, but it's gonna be hard to buy one. Because with the piece, because of this stuff. Let's get this. Let's some more iron. That's great. Let's get some coal and let's make some torches. Okay, let's make some torches now. Okay, let's get there. Let's go with the coal and then we're gonna smelt the iron that we found and we're gonna maybe call it an episode. Maybe. If not, we're just gonna keep on building, making some more gas. Let's get this. Okay, let's go. Let's get out of here. Oh God. Great. Oh my God. Okay, so we're gonna just wait. I don't know why even my cousin laughs at this, but I just do this. Let me just what I do. Let me just show you what I do. And then I put a voice. I don't know how does he even laugh at it? Sorry about that. I have a lot of cousins. And I can't remember each of their names. Well, I can't. But this is all I do. Let me make a stand there. Let's just say that that's a stand. And all I do is like right here. I don't even think that you guys can see this. Let me collect this. This is all I do, literally. Because we're trying to make a map.
Hello? Can I get a ticket? Can I get a ticket? I want a ticket. I can't reach it. I'm just too little. I'm too little to reach it. I'm too little to reach it. Can I get a ticket?
How does he even laugh at it? Sorry about the sheep, but I have a bunch of, cousins. There's a bunch of cousins I have. Literally, how does he even laugh at that? I don't get it. I literally don't get it. How do you even laugh at that? Yesterday he was laughing at it because we're building a map. We're trying to build a map and, you know. Let's get more. Let's go deeper. Oh my god. After we... Oh crap! Crap! Shoot! Great! Oh shit! Oh no! No. You stay away. Oh crap. Oh god, we're leaving. We're gonna end the episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, I have to stop the recording first. Let me eat this chicken. Gimme. Okay, so I'm gonna end the episode here. Did it lock me in? Come on. No, just lock me. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe and comment. That's pretty much it for this episode. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.